Do you know that the way we shape our mouth decides how clearly children can read and spell? This is Ramanpreet. Welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you all the A to Z phonics mouth articulations. You can see something on my screen. These are the special cards which I have prepared, and I will be sharing this free PDF with all the members of my YouTube channel. So stay tuned till the end. And before we start, let's understand that what is articulation. Articulation is how we position our lips, tongue, and teeth while making a sound. And why is it important? Children often struggle not because they can't recognize the letter, but because they don't know how to form the sound correctly. So clear articulation is equals to clear phonics foundation. So let's get started. The first card that you see on my screen is for letter A, and the mouth shape is A. So you have to drop your jaw down and you have to say A. There is some vocabulary also on the card, and the tracing letters are also given here. So this was for A. A says A. The next one is B. B says B. 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 So just a slight, your lips will slightly open, B. And you'll just stop after saying the sound, B. The next one is C, and the sound of C is K. It's just the air comes out of your mouth, K, like that. K. Next one is D. Look at the mouth position when you say D. D. Mouth slightly open and D. Next one is E. It's a vowel and a tricky sound as well. So here, the sound is E, 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 like that. Then the next one is letter F, and the sound is just the air coming out of the mouth. So this video would be for all the subscribers of my channel, but there would be one more video where I will be telling the mouth articulations and many more tips about sounds in the detailed video, which is only for the members of my channel, and they would be able to download this PDF also without any cost. So let's look at the next one. G. Now G is G. Again, the mouth shape is almost same as this one. D and K, K, D and G. Almost the same mouth position, but the tongue, this is what I am going to explain in the detailed video, that how is your tongue's position there. Okay, then the next one is not her, it's the next one is again a vowel and a tricky sound as well. It is A, 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 like smiling a bit and saying A. And then it's J, J, J. Your lip, the lower lip comes out a bit and it's J. Then it's K, just similar to letter C. Next one is L. And the next one is with your closed mouth. Mm. O. P. Ko. S. T. T. V. W. W. X. Y. Z. So these were all the 26 letter sounds that I just told in this video. Now, in the another video, which is only for members, I will be talking in depth about each and every sound, about the tongue position, about voice sound, unvoiced sound, continuous sound, stop sound. A lot I will be telling in that video. So if you want to be member of my YouTube channel and enjoy the detailed videos and free downloads, just like how you saw this one, these cards can be printed and can be used as this as well. If you'll see here, I have got these printed and this is how you can use them. You can put them somewhere in your classroom. You can just put a sellotape around here, and these will also become reusable, or you can get them laminated also. So the link I will be giving it in the description to have the you can even go to the profile and you will see a join button over there. Just click there and you will be able to pay a nominal amount of rupees 50 something, and you will be a member of my YouTube channel. So go to the link, press subscribe, and enjoy endless worksheets and in-depth knowledge about many concepts. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.